Brite White is an excellent procedure for anyone who feels that their eyes are becoming bloodshot red, dull, discolored, or hyperpigmented. The whites of the eyes sometimes become brown, freckled, and stained due to age or sun exposure. Dr. Kelly removes the conjunctiva membrane, the thin surface layer of your eye where the discoloration occurs. He will then take healthy tissue from other areas of the eye and transplant them to where the discolored tissue is removed. Lastly, he applies a medication that decreases the chances of the discoloration returning. Brite White takes about 30 minutes to perform under local anesthesia. The improvement is typically noticed in weeks. Brite White can do a world of good for your self-confidence.